Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be making myself a trinket dish, and I'm going to be using this glass dish that I got at a thrift shop and this elephant ring holder that I've actually had for a few years. I'm going to be using some Resin Angel White paste, and in a minute I'm also going to grab the Midnight Black paste as well. I've got some Master Touch oil paint blue green and then some Mayron silver powder. I wanted to add in some little gears, kind of watch gears and such that I have. And I've also got these little tiny rhinestones that I completely forget to use, and I'm just showing them to you, so sorry about that. Okay, for the first layer I will be using some Clearcast 7050 resin, and later you'll see that I'll also be using some liquid diamonds for the clear layer. Both are 2:1 ratio resins, and that's where there are 2 parts resin and 1 part hardener. And I'm going to be using the liquid diamonds as the clear layer, basically because it is just so crystal clear and really easy to keep from getting bubbles. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. I've got products listed below in the description, as well as discount codes and links to my social media accounts, my art shop, and my Amazon shop. Please help the channel out by supporting it using the links listed below as well. And thank you so much for watching. I'm Elisa with Jots Designs. Enjoy the video, and I will see you next time.